Welcome. If you want to enter one-hand mode in your Xiaomi Poco X3, for the first you have to go for the settings. In the search pool you have to type 1. Pick up this option, one-handed mode. And of course we have to activate it with this feature. Here we can change the size of our one-hand mode, so I go for the 3.5 inches. And of course we can turn it on in two ways. When we are using the gestures, we can use this quick ball function, and we can set it up there, the one-handed mode, but I prefer to go for the home screen buttons. So let's go back, tap on the search pool one more time and type here gestures. Here we have to go for the double check for the gestures and go for the buttons. Right now, to enter the one-hand mode we have to swipe like that from the home screen button to the left or the right, and right now we are able to work on the device with our one hand. We can reach every part of the screen, and if you want to close it, just tap on the arrow outside. That's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.